Give myself 1 hour to make it from the very bottom of the map all the way to the top of the map. Timer has started. I don't even... Jesus Christ! But I installed the Chaos mod. What this Chaos mod does is that it adds a bunch of chaos. Oh, it's a hot cougar in my area. Hey, yo, I've seen that ad before. If I do not make it there in an hour, putting the maid outfit on. Oh, no, no. Oh, I just got portaled. Man. I'm getting my little bike. What is happening? Oh, my shoelaces are untied. I'm tripping. Oh no. What is this FOV? Franklin, you got a nice head there, mate. Zoomed in real close on it. Just keep going. I can't. No. I'm off the ground. I can't control it. This might work in my favor. Okay, maybe it's not working in my favor. Maybe it's not working in my favor. Franklin, go that way. Oh, I'm gonna be sick. What? Huh? Oh, I beat the game. Oh no. Where am I? How long is this FOV? God damn it, get up. Come on, buddy. No! Why did you die? Okay, let's go. Why is everyone yelling? Oh, eternal screams. Oh, it's in my head. This is just like what my head sounds like all the time. This is kind of comforting. Everything calm down. Ace, once again, thank you for the $1. Okay, I lied. Things did not calm down. Oh, do I have gravity around me? Just keep your head down, buddy. Just keep going. Yuck. Oh my god. Oh no, I died. Oh no, I'm drunk. Oh, this is horrible. Oh, this is awful. This is so hard to control. What the fuck is happening? Oh my god, everything's just jump. Please don't hit me. Think I can go under it? Ow, fuck. Okay, I did that wrong. No, don't Gumo stop me, please. No, what's happening? No!
He needs some milk.
I just got ran over. Wait, why is it so bright? Oh, I can't wait. Where am I? Can't see anything. No. No, boss, please. No, please. Oh, I'm dodging. Oh no, I didn't dodge that one. Crap. No. Get up. Where's my bike? Where's my bike at? I can't see it. Get up, Franklin. Get up. What are you doing? Get up. Why are you just laying there? Come on. There you go, buddy. No, my head. Help. Come on. Get over the car. Get your bike. It's right there. Yeah. Get it. Ooh. Okay, go. No. Back her up. Okay, fine. Go forward. Oh, yeah. Go. You're free. Home stretch. No. Baba weave. Oh, they're coming. Baba weave. I didn't mean to do that. No, upside. No, fuck, they're gonna get me. Okay, get up, go. Okay, I think it's over. It's over. We're good. Whew. Okay. Let's see. Now this is nice. We have a nice little calm in the storm. It's peaceful. I can just ride my bike in peace. Okay, I'm back on track. What? Jesus stole my bike! Hey, yo, my bike! Look at that light post. Around the world, around. Won't let me shoot the monkeys. Damn it, I can't shoot the monkeys. Oh my god, everything's shaking. Run faster, Franklin. Run faster. Get up, buddy. Oh my god, is that an earthquake? What's happening? Oh my god. What is that? I don't know what's happening anymore. That was terrifying. Am I a ghost? I'm a ghost. You can't see me. I'm invisible. Okay. This is gonna make me sick. Oh god, no. Make it stop. No, please. Oh, make it stop. I can't keep looking at it. Oh my god. No. No, why are you shooting at me? No, please don't shoot. No. Oh, I'm back. No, they're all angry at me. I didn't do anything. And I'll move. Yep, I knew it. Don't do it. Oh, that hurt. Why give heels on? Stop. No. Oh, fuck. Get up, Franklin. Get up. No, not the heels. Casually walking outside with, yep. Yep. Normal day in California be like. You know what? LSD is not that bad considered all the other stuff that I've been enduring. LSD is not that bad. I did this once and oh, everything's inverted. We're fine. Nothing major. Sir, please. Sir, please, no. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, fight each other. Fight each other. Leave me alone. I gotta go. I gotta go. All right. So far, this was not bad. What was that? Oh, no, no, no. Please. Bobby Weave. No. All right. Back to where we were. What? Oh, well, okay. I just got rickrolled by GTA. That was okay. I thought Franklin just decided to end it. So this is too much. No sky. Ooh, that looks kind of nice, actually. Okay, as I say that, never mind. I am being lifted up into the sky. I have absolutely no control over anything. Gravity's gonna come back to normal. Yep, and then we're just, yep. Me and this guy. Me and you, buddy. I don't know why I'm falling faster. It must be a fat joke. I'm alive.
Ah, that hurt.
Ain't no way I'm alive, boys. Oh, we're going. I 100% expected to die there. Hey, yo, what's that? Hey, yo, what's happening back here? Oh, nothing? Holy shit. Oh, some meteors. That thing is huge. Keep going. Here we are. We will be fine. Where did you come from? Oh, this is actually a lot. Huh? Oh. Oh, it's that thing. Oh. You can do it. Bounce in that corner. Get right in there. Right in the pocket. Right. That's it. I'm on fire. No. I'm doing the shortcut again. I lost a little bit of ground because I didn't know what. I have no control over this. It's autopilot. No matter what I do, he does not stop. He is running in this direction. Could have at least ran the other way. Oh, here we go. Am I in the bush? I am. There I am. Okay, let's go. No, the other way. Go down the hill. Thank you. Jesus. Ha. Okay. Okay. That sounds like it's getting real close. No. Wait, is this helping me? Oh, I don't think it is. Oh, that's not. Hold on, I'm kind of going in the right direction. Land in the water. Land in the water. Land in the water. Yes. Lord have mighty. Lord have mighty. Lord have. 8 minutes and 55 seconds left. I don't know if that's enough time to make it all the way to the top. What? Oh no. Oh no. You just really run me over, sir, with your truck. No, no. Lock on the cars, Juggernaut. Lock on the car. Fuck. Why is there a cement truck? Oh no, fuck. Oh. Hold on. I need to cross the street. No, I need to cross the street. Go. Go, 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 go. Oh my god, that was close. No, stop running in circles, man. Go straight. Go straight, please. Avoid the barrels. That man on a tractor? He is. Actually, again. Where did you come from? They're coming down Mount Chiliad. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You're doing great, Franklin. Keep going. So proud of you. We're. Oh. What? Wait, what? Ayo! Oh, Rocket Man. I have a parachute. No, I didn't get to use a parachute. I could have made up so much ground. We're almost there. We're almost. Oh, see you later, Cougar. Oh, see you later, second Cougar. See you later, third Cougar. The black hole's back. Oh my god, look at everything go inside. It gets so big so fast. That's what she said. Run, buddy. Where are we at? 3 minutes left. I don't know if I'm gonna make it actually. Huh? Wait, can I take this vehicle? Is this allowed? I'm taking it. It's the final stretch. It's the final stretch, lad. We're gonna make it. I won't have to wear that stupid maid outfit. We are 2 minutes left. We're under a mile. We're 0.8 of a mile. I'm not a cheater. I was given the vehicle. I'm taking it. We're so close. We got a minute, about a minute and a half. We're gonna make it. Oh, no lose control. Excuse, sir. Nope, sir. Excuse me. Pardon me. No, 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 no. You can't stop me, copper. Nope, sorry, sir. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. You can't stop me. Oh, I'm gonna make it. No, I gotta get inside. Oh, it can't be modified. Someone give me your car. Give me your car. Give me your car. Give me your car. I don't know what car this is, but I'm taking it. I have to get inside the shop. Let me in. Let me in. Let me in. Oh, I can't because I got the cops. I don't have time. I have 20 seconds. You think I can lose them? Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. Hold on. I might be able to. We're going to go baby driver in this, all right? Oh. No. Why is there a cop here? No. The timer just went off. The timer just went off. No. Now you open. Fucking stupid man in your stupid shop. I fucking stupid. I was so close to making it. I'm displeased. Here I am in all my glory. I don't like it. I like this less and less.